Very good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you third chapter of your supplementary reader. Title is The Desert. From the title, it is very much clear. The chapter is all about desert areas, climatic conditions, survival conditions. So, let us see what happens. Intro. Our desert is generally without water and vegetation. We all know very well. A desert is generally without water and vegetation. A green patch with fresh water and green trees in the middle of a vast desert is a beautiful scene. A desert may be too hot or too cold. Yeah, those of us who live in regions covered with forests and surrounded by hills may find it difficult to imagine what a desert is really like. It means we people living in normal plain areas or hilly areas, we can't imagine properly what a desert is really like. The popular belief is that it is an endless stretch of sand where no rain falls, therefore no vegetation grows. It is dry, hot, waterless, and without shelter. These are some features of desert area, but this is not entirely correct. For those who have studied it, the desert can be a beautiful place. It is the home of a variety of people, animals, and plants that have learned to live under very hot, dry conditions. True, it is the home of a variety of people, animals, and plants that have learned to live under very hot, dry conditions. This is the misery about a desert area, that people of that area they learn how to live under very hot and dry conditions. True, the ground is not always hidden by a cover of a grass, plants and trees as it is in the other climates, but whenever it rains, which is rare, desert flowers bloom and the scene can be as rewarding as that of any tropical garden. It means when it rains, the area becomes just like very greenish and very normal like other areas. The ground is not always hidden by a cover of grass, plants and trees as it is in other climates, but whenever it rains, which is rare. Rain is very rare. Desert flowers bloom, and the sight can be as scene can be as rewarding as that of any tropical garden. A desert is not always a flat, unchanging wasteland of dry sand. It may have mountains and hills. Now, very positivity about a desert area. What are positive things in desert area? A desert is not always a flat, unchanging wasteland of dry sand. No, it may have mountains and hills. It may have an oasis, big or small. Now, oasis is like a green island in the middle of a desert where a spring or a well gives plants and trees a better chance to grow. A desert may be hot like the Thar or cold like Ladakh. There are two types of deserts. Number one, that is hot like Thar desert, and cold like Ladakh desert. Very important for your general knowledge. But generally speaking, if a place has little or no water and vegetation, and people usually call it a desert. This is the real definition of a desert. Student, note it down. If a place has little or no water and vegetation, people usually call it a desert. This is the scene of oasis. Student, have you heard about Mount Abu in Rajasthan? Some deserts are almost totally without water. In such places, strong winds blow, raising heaps of sand and depositing them as mounds. These are called sand dunes that shift and move endlessly across the desert. Few plants can survive on such dry shifting sands. This is very funny point of desert. Some deserts are almost totally without water. In such places, strong winds blow, okay, and raising heaps of sand means shifting sand and depositing them as mounds somewhere else. These are called sand dunes. मिट्टी के टिल्ले, टिब्बे, मिट्टी के बड़े बड़े ढेर that shift and move endlessly across the desert. Few plants can survive on such dry shifting sand. Yeah. Now see comprehension check. Later we will match. Desert plants and animals learn to require much less water than most plants and animals. The camel is a typical desert animal. Smaller desert animals have unusual means of satisfying their need for water. Part 2. All living things need water in order to survive. Yes, no doubt. The few plants and animals that live in deserts have developed the ability to require less water than most plants and animals. This is their type of adaptation. How they do adaptation? I repeat, the few plants and animals that live in deserts have developed the ability to require less water than most plants and animals. They have ability to require less water. The camel, popularly famous, known as the sheep of the desert, can drink a lot of water at one time. Store water at one time. Camels can do without water for days together. This is answer of one question. Camels can do without water for days together. The reason is that they sweat very little. They sweat very little. We sweat because we must keep our body temperature constant. We sweat when it gets hot. This cools the body. Camels can stand high body temperature. They don't need to sweat and can therefore retain the water they drink for long periods of time. I repeat. We sweat because we must keep our body temperature constant. We sweat when it gets hot and this cools the body. Students, after sweating our body cools the body temperature. Camels can stand high body temperature. They don't need to sweat. This is their body type. This is quality. This is feature of their body. They don't need to sweat. They retain the water. They drink for long periods of time. They store the water. They drink for long periods of time. They store the water in their stomach. Let us see. This is desert night. Wow. The smaller desert animals don't drink water. Then how they survive? They burrow underground during the hot day and they come out at night to eat. See the picture? In night, smaller desert animals are out. This is one question in exercise also. How do they survive? So we will underline, we will learn the answer from here. The smaller desert animals don't drink water. They burrow underground. They live underground. They live in underground burrows. बर्रोज मीन्स बड़े बड़े होल होते हैं मिट्टी के नीचे, ज़मीन के नीचे बहुत बड़े बड़े बर्रोज होते हैं, होल होते हैं, वहाँ रहते हैं वो. दे बर्रो अंडरग्राउंड ड्यूरिंग द हॉट डे एंड कम आउट एट नाइट टू ईट. They don't come out in daytime. Some of them eat other animals, okay, and get the water they need from the moisture in the meat. Very interesting. Others eat plants and seeds and get the water they need from plant juices. Yes, these are some styles of adaptation. They eat other animals, they get water from the moisture in the meat. Others eat plants and seeds and get the water they need from plant juices. Desert plants also adapt themselves to the life they lead. Desert plants also adapt. Yes, plants have also power of adaptation. They adapt themselves to the life of themselves they lead. Cactus plants store water in their thick stems. Here, cactus plants you have seen. Their roots lie close to the surface of the ground and quickly absorb the moisture from the light rains. This is very interesting. Their roots lie close to the surface of ground and quickly absorb moisture from the light rain. Light means here halki barish that occasionally fall. The major feature of all deserts is, of course, dryness and variations of temperature. In humid climates, the moisture in the air acts like a blanket. मॉइस्चर जो नमी होती है एयर में वो एक्ट करती है लाइक अ ब्लैंकेट, एक कंबल की तरह काम करती है. द मॉइस्चर इन द एयर एक्ट्स लाइक अ ब्लैंकेट, एक कवर की तरह काम करती है. जो जो नमी होती है एयर में, जो नमी होती है वो एक कवर ब्लैंकेट की तरह काम करती है एंड प्रोटेक्ट्स द अर्थ सरफेस फ्रॉम द हॉट रेज ऑफ द सन. इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ दिस ब्लैंकेट इन डेजर्ट लैंड्स कॉजेज द डेजर्ट्स टू हीट अप रैपिडली. और जो ये एयर में जो मॉइस्चर होती है ये डेजर्ट एरिया में नहीं होती है, इसकी एब्सेंस होती है. तो आई विल से एब्सेंस ऑफ मॉइस्चर इन द एयर इन डेजर्ट एरियाज मीन्स moisture in the air is absent in desert areas. Absence of this moisture in air causes the desert to heat up. Deserts easily heat up and easily cool off at night. Causes the desert to heat up rapidly. Deserts become very hot rapidly during the day and very cool off rapidly at night. 2 points are here: easily heat up, easily cool off, because there is no cover that can protect. Okay, now this chapter is over. Some new words meanings are there. Burrow means move underground by digging, बड़े बड़े होल होना. Moisture means नमी, wetness, गीलापन. Absorb means take in completely. Variations means changes containing moisture. Humid means containing moisture. Adapt means change, power of adaptation, power of changing. So these are very new words and meanings for you. I hope you have understood. This chapter was full of information, full of adaptation by plants, animals and people. Thank you. Have a good day ahead.